Cooking with Claudia, cooking with Claudia, cooking with Claudia. Let's make some Jamaican escovitch fish. So first thing first, we are gonna clean up the place, cause y'all know I don't play when it comes down to my cleaning. I clean properly. So make sure you clean that fish outside, inside, everywhere. Wash it off and wash off your hands too. Cut up some slits and add the seasoning of your choice. Do not, I repeat, do not be stingy with your seasoning. Make sure you rub it in everywhere. And since y'all think I'm not washing off my veg properly, me set up the phone to show y'all how I actually wash off my veg, yeah? Cut up everything and add oil, pepper, garlic, thyme.
Why? Me jump your back.
That oil had me jumping. Fry the fish until it's golden on both sides, just like that. With the same oil, add pimentos, the veg, and mix it up. Let it sit, and then add some vinegar and let it sit. In the meantime, I'ma make some festival. You know how it go? Let it sit for like 10. Once the veg is soft like this, lock off the stove. Now we're gonna fry the festival. Watch me roll like a pro. This is my first time. Me bad for true. Alright, so boom. I made 2 plates. One is for me and the next one is for Yachty reaction.